Hi everyone, welcome back to the Savia Forex Solutions YouTube channel. Before I get started with today's video, please remember to like and share the video and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm showing you a very powerful and dynamic indicator called the Volatility Index Pro Indicator. It is specifically optimized for volatility indices and jump indices on Deriv. It detects potential entries with high accuracy and probability. It is important to remember that the objective is consistent long-term profitability when using this indicator. The volatility indices and jump indices are available to trade on Deriv only. If you don't already have a trading account on Deriv, please support the channel and open a trading account via the link in the video description. This indicator will basically help you become consistently profitable in the long term. Some key benefits include an 89% win rate, highly accurate real-time signals, 24/7 PC and mobile notifications, and long-term consistent profitability. So let me show you the power and accuracy of this indicator. So once you have installed the indicator on your MT5 platform, select it from your navigational panel and drop it onto any volatility index or any jump index. I recommend placing the indicator on the 30-minute chart time frame and higher for higher probability signals, especially if you are swing trading the markets. So the inputs include basically a threshold, and this allows you to toggle the indicator's sensitivity. So the greater the threshold, the less often entry signals occur, and the lower the threshold, the more often entry signals occur. Audible alerts basically allow you to receive a sound alert on your PC when signals are sent by the indicator, and push notifications allow you to receive signal notifications on your mobile phone any time of the day, anywhere. So I'll just quickly set mine up. I'll change the threshold to 1, switch off audible alerts, and keep my push notifications on. When trading the signals, it is important to manage your risk well. Be disciplined and set a psychological stop loss and take profit threshold, and always stick to them. This will help you protect your account equity and achieve long-term net profitability and growth. So looking here, you can see that the indicator generated multiple successful signals over a period of time. Please remember, as I've showed you before and as I've mentioned before, it is important to manage your risk appropriately, as invalid signals can occur, hence the 89% advertised win rate. The other 11% being potential losses or invalid signals. Let's now look at some of the signals that the indicator has generated based on the current settings that I'm using right now. So we're looking at Volatility 10 index on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, over a period of time, the indicator generates multiple signals depending on your threshold, as I mentioned earlier. So my sensitivity is quite high in the sense that my number is quite low, but if I adjust that, as you see here, and you can play around with this, you can increase your threshold, but then perhaps increase the time frame in which you're looking at it on, and that'll give you more stable signals less often. But then if you're wanting to scalp the market, you can also do that, 5-minute time frame, 1 minute, but I prefer to keep it to the higher time frames. So I'll change this back down to a threshold of 1. I can get more signals, and you can adjust this and also use it and fit it to your own trading strategy, in the sense that if the trend is down, you only take sells or sell signals. If the trend, or if there's a clear uptrend, then you also only take buy signals. If there's a bit of choppy price action, you decide what to do really. The indicator continues to generate signals, but personally I would stay out of the market if I see that price action is moving sideways or moving in a range essentially, and look for instances where there's clear movement in a specific direction before I take signals. So as you can see, multiple sell signals on the 1 hour chart generated here, and if you trail your stop, you can really follow the market down, and manage your risk well as well, and make some good profits. So moving on to Volatility 75, like I said, this works on any index, on any time frame, daily as well, weekly as well, and it adjusts to this relevant or specific time frame on which it is on. And is able to give you signals. So if you're really a long-term trader and you've got the capital to really swing trade these markets, you can trade this on the daily time frame and take signals as they occur and really follow this market in either direction that it's taking, basically. Very accurate, like I mentioned, and this is about long-term consistent profitability. Volatility 100S index as well, just looking at the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, over a period of time, consistent successful signals, entry signals. So this is a very powerful and dynamic indicator, as I've mentioned, so try it out for yourself. Moving on to the jump index or jump indices, as we can see here as well, very accurate, with high probability signals on the higher time frames. So all of these I've already set up to a threshold of 1, making them fairly sensitive. And here on the daily time frame, as we can see, multiple signals generated. So you can trade this in any which way that you really see fit and incorporate it into your own trading strategies and see how it works best for you. Moving on to the jump 75 index. So like I said, a very dynamic and powerful indicator, adjusts to various time frames and adjusts to different assets. Jump 100 index, also, as we can see, threshold set to 1 here as well, so that's why you can see all these many signals. If I change this back to 3 or up to 3, increasing my threshold, thereby decreasing the sensitivity, and now I have less signals on the 1 hour time frame, but I can always take down the time frame if I perhaps want to scalp the markets. So yeah, you'll figure out for yourself how to use the indicator. So that's it for today. You can get this indicator by following the link to our online store in the video description. Thank you for watching today's video. Until next time, take care, and please remember to hit that subscribe button. Cheers.